Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online banking account password of Nedbank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a nedbank.co.za and press enter. Now here at the official webpage of Nedbank, you can see the option of online banking just beside of apply in the right panel. You click on online banking. Here you will see the login form page where you need to provide your username and password. Then click on login where you will get directly logged in into your online banking account of Nedbank. As we are going to recover our password and username, you need to click on the link given that is forgot your details. Now here you can see you can retrieve your Nedbank Money app, you can retrieve your user ID and also you can reset your Nedbank ID password. As we are going to reset our password, you need to click here reset your Nedbank ID password. Now to reset your password, first of all you need to provide your Nedbank ID username. Then you click on next where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to retrieve or you will be able to reset your password of Nedbank. Similarly in the username you go back. Then here you need to click on forgot your Nedbank ID username and then you go in for following the further instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to retrieve your user ID as well. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online banking account password of Nedbank. Thank you.